everything a person's profile comes from the portal. Some of it comes from our HR system. So for instance, if I wanted to go to our HR system to update my skills, which is maintained in the HR system, you edit it within our HR system, while we integrate it back into the portal profile on a nightly basis, so that you don't have to enter it twice. So that's extremely valuable there.
There's a question here.
So I had to also...
Is the profile page on my site, or is it part of NewsGator?
No, well, good question. It's Microsoft's My Site is comprised of a couple things. It's comprised of your news feed, your content, your profile, and your links. NewsGator extends some of that stuff, and I'll go to my news feed in a second here. Here's an organization structure. So if you're on anybody in the company, you can see where someone fits within the organization. So you can see that I report up to the CIO, CFO, reports right up to the CEO. You can see my peers, and you can see my direct reports as well. So very interactive organization chart that you can use to find people. Now my news feed is really powerful. We try to get people to use this because anything happening within the portal, you have the ability to sign up for and collect colleagues, which are kind of like friends in Facebook or connections in LinkedIn, or you can join communities. And all that information you can have sent to your My News feed, your central hub of information. So all things happening within the portal, whether it's one of many communities or one of many colleagues, all that stuff can come into your activity stream for your news feed, and you could throttle it, and you could follow up, you could look up a particular colleague if you want, but all that information can come directly. In addition, you can have this information also come into email, and in email you can respond directly through the email to send a post to the microblogs, or you can do it directly through the portal interface. So you have the ability to do that. So if this was something that Clay wrote and I wanted to follow up on it a little bit later, I can click follow up. It's marked as a little red flag. So later on, because what could happen is it's a stream, so new things are going to come in constantly and push things lower. But I could always come back and just look at things that I wanted to see as follow-up there. So a very, very powerful feature there. You have the ability to, we have a little wizard for people to go through, a getting started wizard. They can walk them through how to use the portal. Communities are available. And that same 3 public microblog is available on the on your My News feed. And you also have the ability, the My Links, which renders on the home page, you can monitor and make it here. And then you also have the ability to have your own content. So instead of a file share, if you want to store content on the portal, you can do that as well. So a lot of powerful features in the My Site, and then the NewsGator component just takes it to another level.
Is there a default homepage that people go to, or can they go to their own homepage?
Yeah, we kind of force that everybody goes to this homepage. Okay. And I would say for the most part, 95% of the company, when they click on intranet or their browser to open it up, they can they go right to this page. And just to give you an example, as an example of an article, we had somebody recently promote it, and then down here at the bottom, you saw people where they actually become part of the story and actually add in a blog comment as well. So this is really helping the company build a recognition culture